Did you know that just 30 seconds of the right movement can trigger a powerful surge in blood circulation? If you want to restore your natural vitality and achieve stronger, rock-solid erections, it all begins with your pelvic floor. Today, I'm going to show you how to activate your body's internal engine. Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa Thompson. With over 7 years of experience specializing in men's vitality, I've helped thousands of men rebuild their confidence using science-backed routines. Let's jump into these 5 life-changing exercises. Exercise 1, Child's Pose. How to do it: kneel on the floor, bring your big toes together, and sit back on your heels. Slowly fold forward, stretching your arms out in front of you. Do it for 30 seconds. This position deeply relaxes the pelvic floor muscles and helps relieve tension, allowing blood to circulate more freely to the lower body. Exercise 2, Elevated Knee Tuck. How to do it: lean back on your elbows, lift your legs, and pull your knees toward your chest. Then extend them out without touching the floor. Do it for 45 seconds. This exercise strengthens the lower abdominal muscles and stimulates the nerves that regulate healthy blood flow. Exercise 3, Bear Plank Push-Ups. How to do it: start on all fours, lift your knees about an inch off the ground, and perform a small push-up while keeping your back flat. Do it for 30 seconds. This movement builds strong core stability and can support natural testosterone production by engaging several major muscle groups at the same time. Exercise 4, Prayer Squat Yoga. How to do it: stand with your feet wide apart, lower into a deep squat, and press your elbows against your inner knees while holding your hands together in a prayer position. Do it for 45 seconds. This pose opens the hips and greatly improves circulation to the pelvic region, which is essential for overall vitality. Before we continue, I'd like to know who's watching. Drop a comment below and tell me which country and city you're watching from. I personally check every single comment, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join our growing community. Exercise 5, Glute Bridge Hip Abduction. How to do it: lie on your back, lift your hips into a bridge position, then move your knees apart and bring them back together. Do it for 60 seconds. This exercise directly targets the glutes and pelvic floor muscles, creating a strong foundation for lasting stamina and strength. Remember, your age is not your weakness. It's simply a number. Consistency is the real key to reclaiming your prime. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.